Made it to the Corvette Museum, Corvette guy. First timer.
Yeah.
What do you think so far?
Without a Corvette, it's kind of depressing.
Yeah, well, my first time was without a Corvette too. It is kind of depressing. Welcome back, ATL Car guys. As you can see, it's the Volvo wagon. Like, let's just get straight to the point. It was always going to be the Volvo. Welcome back to the channel. This is the start of an epic series, road trip series, where we are going to end at Monterey Car Week in California, but we are going to start here in Atlanta and have a bunch of places that we stop on the way. We are taking the wagons. My boy Ethan, my Challenger BMW wagon. This is the European Wagon Challenge. You are here. We're going cross country with good wagons. Tell everybody about your wagon first. This is the worst wagon.
Ultra.
Yeah.
The best wagon.
Yeah, whatever.
Well, I can't tell you too much about it. I got it less than 6 days ago.
Because we've been last minute scrambling to get our trip done.
So we're gonna see how it does.
09 328 XI, all-wheel drive. What's your mileage?
169,000.
All right, I'm gonna double that, big boy. Get your weight up. I'm gonna add some miles this trip. That's my Challenger. It's white, it's terrible, and we're gonna do a bunch of challenges so you guys can show and tell me how much better my tank of a 2008 Volvo V70 wagon is. This wagon has 290,000 miles, so it will hit. Maybe. No, we won't hit 300,000 this trip.
Get close.
But I'm gonna get close. I'm gonna get real close to 300,000 miles.
We'll see who breaks down more.
Yeah, we're gonna see who breaks down more. We're gonna see who gets more compliments. We're gonna see a lot of stuff. But they have been primed and they are ready to take the trip. So on this first leg of our trip, we are actually going to
Corvette Museum.
Yeah, in Bowling Green. This will be the second time that I've been to the Corvette Museum, not in a Corvette. This will be the third time going, period. But the second time, no way. No, this will be the fourth time. And 2 times I went, we're not in a Corvette.
I've owned 3 of them.
And still haven't gone.
In a Corvette.
So we gotta go to we come into Bowling Green, Kentucky. We're gonna jump on the road. We're gonna stop and do some gas station challenges probably in this episode. So you guys will get to see that. Now we're gonna give you a nice little overlook of the cars. All right, everybody. First stop, Waffle House.
Okay.
So we had a nice scenic drive through Tennessee. Oh my gosh, I'm just bouncing the phone everywhere. We had a nice scenic drive through Tennessee, and even found parking spaces next to each other. Come on, hell yeah, brother. The setup is good. I got a camera for you guys getting scenic footage. I got my screen going. I got that for movies. I got a GoPro going. I even got a mount up here for this phone. I got Waze and stuff running. We're all good to go. So let's get the quintessential Waffle House stop in. And apparently as I post to Instagram, everybody is noticing that my hair is gone. So that's a big deal. Even more than everybody seeing the cars we're taking, everybody's been commenting on Instagram or texting me like, "Are you bald?" And I'm like, is that what y'all got out of that video? Everybody just saw that I was bald. I was like, okay, yeah. Wait, we gotta look at the cars, man. First stop, We did a couple 100 miles. Well, I don't know how.
160.
160 miles so far. They are looking good to go. The European Wagon Tour. We're gonna have to figure out some kind of name for this thing.
European Wagon Tour?
The European Wagon Tour. That's what you guys are watching. And it starts in the south at a mother Wahoo. Let's get some food.
5 minutes later.
First stop. Made it to the Corvette Museum. Corvette guy. First timer. What do you think so far?
Without a Corvette, it's kind of depressing.
Yeah, well, my first time was without a Corvette too. It is kind of depressing. And even worse, I came in a Challenger the first time. Yeah, I parked way back over there, way in the back. Way in the back. I didn't want to. Parking of shame for sure. How was the first couple hours of the drive?
Not too bad.
Yeah.
Not too much traffic.
Oh, I have my mic on. You have your mic on, but it's all right.
It's enough.
It's fine. iPhone's got great mics. Here to go see it. Taking you guys with us. All right, ATL car guys. I've been to this museum a couple times, bringing Ethan for the first time, and actually kind of bringing you guys for the first time. Is my mic on? I think it is. Boom. That's what it does to you if you're a Corvette guy. See that face he's making? Yeah, he wants that right there. Looking for Randy. Looking for Randy Walker. Your name was on my motor. Where are you?
It's a great film.
All right, y'all. Welcome to the Great Hall of Corvettes. Some of my favorite C4s are here. And this is also where, if you remember, years ago, there was a sinkhole and all of this caved in. We actually passed one of the cars that was involved in it. And I don't know where the rest of them are, but one of them's over there. But this is the part that sunk in. You can actually see it over here inside the sinkhole. I used to have the sinkhole lined out on the floor. I don't know what happened to that, but this is how far down that sinkhole went. Now, they used to have it lined out where it fell in, but I don't know if that weirded people out or something. And so they took it up. Now, this was not here the last time I was here. It's one of the real clay models for the C8. White on red convertible. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's the E-Ray. Yeah, this is the new E-Ray. All-wheel drive hybrid. They just rebadged it, which they should have did this in the beginning. It should have been the Grand Sport the whole time. But lucky people like me and my channel got E-Rays, and they're only going to be limited. There's only going to be a few years of the E-Ray until it went to Grand Sport. And you keep seeing blue ones. I know, it's so saddening. I didn't think about it. I'm sorry for throwing salt in your wounds.
I guess I'll just have to get another one.
Yeah, you will. You're gonna have to get another one.
The ZR one.
Sad boys. This sad guy got rid of his Corvette, and I still have mine.
Oh,
Poor guy. Oh, Ethan's almost done shopping. Right there. So while Ethan's done shopping or finishing shopping for his Corvette gear, I will update you guys on the drive and where we're going next. So next spot is going to be St. Louis, and that's where we're going to do some car camping. So we're gonna make one more gas stop, and then we're gonna do some car camping, and I don't know what else. Maybe a cooking challenge. Maybe that's what we should do. Yeah, buddy. All right, ATL car guys, these things made it. They made it all the way to the Rockies, no hiccups, no problems, and I am super excited about that. I literally just saw that bison right there and thought, it was a bison, bro. I was about to spaz out.